Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now by preparing the surface. Clean with solvent to ensure adhesion. Once dry, sand with 220-320 grit to create a keyed profile. You want a consistent feathered edge. Next, mix black Japan paint thoroughly for 3-5 minutes, scraping sides and thin very slightly, 0.5 to 5%, only if the product label suggests. Apply your first thin coat using steady strokes. This prevents runs and sets a uniform base for the next phase. Once your base is set, build color with 2 to 3 thin, even coats. Make sure to wait 15 to 30 minutes between coats or follow the product directions for flash time. Use crosshatch strokes and overlap each pass by about 50% so you avoid visible streaks and get a smooth, uniform finish. Also, control the environment. Keep temperature between 18 and 25 degrees C and relative humidity near 40 to 60%, because curing and gloss depend on stable conditions. You complete the job by wet sanding with 600 to 800 grit, then buff to your preferred sheen. Do this gently so you don't burn through the black Japan layer. If you need extra protection, apply a clear coat with the same thin coat method and proper flash times. If issues appear, runs, orange peel, or poor adhesion, stop, let cure, then test a small area. Sand out defects and recoat, or strip and reprime if adhesion fails. This single tip saves hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.